Okay guys, this is how you go from like a below average kind of looking guy to an absolute fucking masculine beast, sex symbol, okay? This is what you need to do. 1, go to the fucking gym. Why the fuck are you lazy? Go to the fucking gym. If you're skinny, go to the gym. If you're fat, go to the gym. If you're just normal average Joe, go to the fucking gym. Building muscle and getting lean, having a six pack, or just having somewhat a good like 15 to 18% body fat with some muscle on you is every fucking girl's type. Like there's no, oh I want a little bit body fat, I like dad bods, I like skinny guys. No, every fucking girl likes muscles and every fucking girl likes fit and healthy guys. Okay, that's so fucking simple. If you hear a girl say like, I like skinny tall guys or I like fucking fat dad bods, dude, she's insecure as fuck about herself, and that's why she doesn't really like a fit guy, because she associates that fit guy with someone who might cheat on her or someone who's like fucking toxic. It's more like what she thinks that guy is like personality wise rather than the actual physical appearance. Every fucking girl likes a six pack and every fucking girl at least likes somewhat of a fit guy with muscle. Everybody likes a tall guy, everybody likes like a broad wide guy. That's why if you wanna attract a girl, you gotta get bigger shoulders, bigger chest, bigger lats. 2, and this is so fucking stupid, I have to tell you guys this. Hygiene, man. If you smell like shit, she's not gonna be attracted to you. You can have a 10 out of 10 physique and smell like absolute shit, and nobody's gonna fucking go in near you. Nobody is gonna want to be around you. You smell like shit. Also, like, are your nails clean? What the fuck is going on with your hands? How do you dress? Do you have fucking stains on your shirt? Obviously, that's gonna be a turn off. All these things, like basic fucking hygiene. Smell good, look good, look clean, feel good, okay? Basic hygiene. Something that ties kind of into this is if you have bad skin. That is a sign of bad hygiene. Maybe you just have fucking super high testosterone and you're in puberty, you can't really control it. What you can do is go on a skin care kind of system. That's probably gonna benefit you, but it is not the most important, guys. It's like the physique and just being clean in general and hygienic, that's the most important. Okay, the 4th one, right? It's not so much style as it is getting fitting clothes. So I see so many fucking guys, and I did this in the past too, wearing like baggy, oversized shit. Not really that appealing to girls, not gonna lie. It might feel super comfortable. What's most attractive to girls is not like the brand. Who fucking gives a shit about your Supreme or Babe shirt? They care how does it fit on you. And again, if you have muscle, the shirt is gonna like fit better around your arms and around your chest and your shoulders, this kind of stuff. And your back, like from behind. How does the shirt fit you from behind, right? All these things are much more important than your actual sense of style and which fucking brand you're wearing. Like, having clothes that actually fit you are so much more important than that stuff. The 5th one, very important. How is your posture? Is your posture all like this? Going around like this? Fucking looking down and shit? Like, boom. Way better, you see this? Boom. Shoulders back, chest forward. Look up, not like fucking, but look like straight or like kind of up. Don't look like down. If you look down, you look fucking insecure, depressed, and nobody's gonna be turned on by you going around like fucking all insecure, feeling bad about yourself, okay? That's the 5 tips I got for you. Fucking take action.